Hello everyone, welcome to Bit 9. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install Valorant on your Windows PC. First, open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Download Valorant and press Enter. When the official website, playvalorant.com, appears, click on it. Then, click on the Download button and save the installer file. The download should start immediately. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. It should be named something like installvalorant.exe. Double-click on it. Next, click Yes to allow the Valorant installer to make changes to your device. A new Riot Games pop-up should appear. Click on the Install button to start the installation process. This will install the Riot Games launcher, which is needed to play Valorant. Now log in with your Riot Games username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. Once logged in, click the Install button. In the installation pop-up, select the installation path. I'll leave it as the default. Select Create Desktop Shortcut for all users, choose your preferred language, enable auto-update, and click Install. Next, accept the prompt to allow the Riot client to make changes to your device. The installation will begin with Vanguard, which is necessary to play Valorant. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer. Finally, open the Valorant app and click on the Play button to start playing. And that's it. You're all set to play Valorant on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.